communication is part of communication field. It's focusing on how we communicate about sustainability messages, information that link to sustainable development goal. I strongly believe that it is not something that is strange to you, right? Have you come across about sustainable development goals from United Nations?
SDG goal, which is responsible consumption and production. So we're really concerned about like the food waste.
You really arrange everything very nicely for us. So thank you, Penang, thank you, USM, for having us today. As the Dean has said before about this whole project, we would like to have this collaboration between the universities. Of course, not apart from like the bigger level, like the research level, we would like our students to also have a chance to work with the students from the same school or same field. Because in the future, we never know, they probably become colleagues. Because we are living here in this world of like ASEAN community.